In this video, we will explore how to create a student one student at a time in Pulse. Begin by navigating to the Users tab of the Explorer and clicking Create Users and select Student. Be aware of the required fields for creating a student: first name, last name, client, and email address. Let's begin with that first name and last name. The username, you will notice, will populate once you type in the first and last name details and click anywhere in the student record. This username is always generated as first name dot last name. You can keep this auto-generated username or type one in of your own. It's important to note, if you type in a username and it already exists in the system, a 1 will be appended to the end of the username. If 2 exists, then 2 will be appended at the end of the username, and so on. Password creation. It is not required, but you can type a custom password if you desire. If you leave it blank, the system will send the student a temporary password in their user creation email to the email address provided. The student will then be able to customize their password. If you create the password, the user creation email will not contain a password. It will be the responsibility of the creator to provide the student the password details. Client information. You will fill in the client details under this section. Under contact information, you will type the required email. This is the email address that will receive the user creation email. If you leave all other areas blank within the student creation record, these will be filled in using the system defaults. In the case of contact information, the system will default to the client details. Once you've filled in all of the required information that you choose to fill in, you have the option at the top to save. You will notice Save, Save and New, Save and Close, or Clear if you need to start over. You can select Save, and this will save the data, create the student, and keep you within that new student record. Save and New will allow you to save the created student and refresh the fields so that you can immediately create the next student. Save and Close. This will create the student and close the record, returning you back to the User tab of the Explorer. For this example, we are going to select Save. Notice how the fields that we left blank are now filled in with the defaults or the client information. You can edit these fields at any time by revisiting the student record. Remember, you click on the student information in the users to open up the student record. Thanks for watching this video from the desk of PD.